Okay, so this is now on number 8. So this is still in type 2, assessment 2 of MT4, basic algebra and algebraic manipulation. So the last item in type 2 is the geometry problem. You're given an isosceles triangle. So let's look at the triangle here. Okay, since the triangle is an isosceles triangle, it means we have two equal sides, and it was given that the two equal sides are AB and BC. So if this is 4x plus 3y in measure, that means BC is also 4x plus 3y. The perimeter of the triangle was also given, and it's 48. And the first task that we have to do is to find the length of AC. Okay, so how do we find AC? So the plan is, since we know the perimeter and we know the measure for the other two sides, then the remaining side should be the perimeter minus the measure of, or the sum of the measure of the two sides. Since we have an isosceles triangle, so we just simply double or multiply by 2 the 4x plus 3y, which is the measure of AB. So you have perimeter minus 2 times 4x plus 3y. If you simplify this expression, so you have the perimeter equal to 48. So 48 minus, you have 2 times 4x is 8x. 2 times 3 is 6. But since you have a minus sign, so that 2 times 3 will become minus 6y. So the measure of AC in terms of x and y is 48 minus 8x minus 6y. Okay, so letter B, what we want to do here is to find the area. So you have to know the area for the area formula for a triangle. That's base times height divided by 2. Now, in letter A, we found AC, and AC is actually the base. So we have base is AC. The height is given as 12y. So it was stated here as 12y. So base times height, that's AC. This is AC times the height 12y, and then divided by 2. Now put the AC expression, that's what we found in letter A. That's 48 minus 8x minus 6y times the height 12y divided by 2. Now since I noticed that 12 and 2 are even numbers, so 12 can be divided by 2, so I canceled the 12 and 2, and that means 12 will become 6. So if this will become 6y, then the area is basically 48, that's 48 minus 8x minus 6y, times the 6y outside. Then if you distribute the 6y to every term, you will arrive at 288y minus 48xy, and then minus 36y squared. And that is the area of the triangle. Okay, so like the other problems, do not expect that the next question will be a triangle problem. So it could be a rectangle, it could be a square, it could be a rhombus. But the idea is how to make use of the known information so that you could connect what are known in the problem and what is to be solved, okay, or what we call the unknowns. Okay, so that's for number 8. This is the last question for type 2. So make sure you review every item, especially the items where you made a mistake in the previous assessment. Okay, so that's it.